habits that keep you broke and how to fix them. If you're still living paycheck to paycheck in AI era, it's not because you don't make enough money. It's because of habits you don't even notice. And today, we're breaking them. Welcome to Wealthy Mind, where we build wealth through smart thinking and powerful habits. Let's expose the 7 habits quietly destroying your financial future. Keycap 1, spending to impress. Most broke people finance lifestyles they can't afford. Nice car, designer clothes, expensive dinners. Wealthy people invest first, flex later. Before buy anything, ask, does this make me richer or just look richer? Keycap 2, no emergency fund. 1 unexpected bill equals debt spiral. Wealth starts with stability. Build 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash before investing aggressively. Keycap 3, lifestyle inflation. Income goes up, so spending goes up. That's a trap. Every raise equals increased investments, not expenses. Keycap 4, emotional spending. It is so sad. Buying boring things on Amazon. Stress? Uber Eats. That's not wealth behavior. Delay every non-essential purchase for 48 hours. Keycap 5, avoiding financial education. You binge Netflix but won't watch a 10-minute finance video. Wealth is knowledge applied. 30 minutes per day learning about money. Keycap 6, no clear goal. I want to be rich is not a plan. Wealth requires numbers. Define your target net worth and timeline. Keycap 7, waiting for the perfect time. Markets move. Life moves. Time moves. Waiting is expensive. Start small. $50. $100. Just start. In conclusion, wealth isn't about income. It's about identity. If you fix these habits, your bank account will follow. Subscribe to Wealthy Mind and start thinking rich.